You gonna go play? Are you kidding me right now? Duncan! Duncan!
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house? I want waffle fries.
Excuse me, sweet angel? Hello!
Có dữ vậy.
What do you have? What do you have? What did you bring in from outside, huh? Is it a stick? Yes, it is. Yes, it is a stick. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. You got it!
There's nothing in this world that makes me more angry than when you burn a candle and it doesn't burn that outer rim. It just irritates me.
Hi, baby. No. Hey. What you doing? Oh, thank you. Hey. What you doing? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
That's your tail, Luce. That's your...
Come here, baby. Come here. What did you do? Come show me. What did you do? What did you do? Millie.
This pup had the funniest reaction when he listened to the voicemail left by his dog in daycare.
I wanted to give you a quick update. Kai is a big humper. He's overstimulated, literally humping everyone. And a lot of the dogs did not like it. He is social, but he's more concerned about humping everybody than he is playing and me.
괜찮아. 괜찮아. 괜찮아요.
What the heck? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. It was an accident. I'm so sorry. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry. I'll get you a new one.
You broke his you broke his only toy. He's so upset.
Get lost.
That one-time storm was broken. Just wait for it.
Seems normal, right? Walk, nice day, bag of bread. Stop!
When do you feel the most beautiful?
Maybe when I'm dancing.
Like that. I do love you. And not to be afraid to really open yourself up to the possibilities that scares you.
It's wet.
Sloopy? Good morning, Sloopy. You woke up on your own, remember? Just right now? It's work time.
Brother, what's that? Oh!
Sandria. Oh my god. Oh, what a good. Oh, there's this. Oh my god!
She's a 10, but she has no concept of personal space.
Rispondi a questi gatti. Bravo, ma che vuoi? Diglielo. Ah.
Florida. These dogs are $30,000. Sometimes you wonder why.
Alexa, Simon says Tyson is a bad boy.
Tyson is a bad boy.
You found the perfect way to sit on there, huh?
I can't take you anywhere. Hey, stop!
Odie May! Hey! You've got to be fucking kidding me.
Gentle.
Come on. In the bucket.
Come on, speak! Speak! Good boy.
Through a painstaking process of trial and error, I found out what he wanted.
Stop.
Ow!
Ho?
Quiet, speak. Good girl.
Gigi! Stop!
Whoa!
Oh, Mr. Cool.
Seriously?
Sam! Sam! What you doing? You got a hot dog, buddy?
Hey.
Yeah, my dog's friendly.
Hi. I thought you said your dog was friendly.
It is. That's not my dog.
Butt. Let me spank that butt.
No.
No. No, he's sleeping.
Just captured the cutest thing ever.
What's the problem?
Are you serious? Cannot go turkey hunting with me.
Caller.
No, I'm just enjoying my food and then this fucking little crazy fucking bastard.
This my baby. And ain't nobody finna touch him.
Who did this? Bubba, was this you? Georgia, was this you? Jackal, was it? Yeah, that's what I fucking thought!
Get mad after you fall.
She's chewing on your tail, man.
Hey, Jaxie.
Enjoy. Show me your cheese. Oh my god.
You're my baby and I love you, but you cannot go turkey hunting with me.
Bebé, sonríe.
Happy Wednesday, Poppy.
What's that? Oh my god! What is that?
Wow, you're dramatic. Are you kidding? I'm using it.
Oh shit! Oh my god!
She's chewing on your tail, man.
Huh?
Bring your butt here.
Can you hold a fucking light straight?
Lesbians. Oops.
Miss Benji. Miss Benji sleeping. Oh, sorry, I didn't want to wake you, boy.
Can you show me your booty?
Benji has no idea what's behind him. Oh, you.
My dog thinks he's a kitty cat, y'all.
So I was talking to Anthony. Spider!
Hey, excuse me. Nala, are you doing dishes? I hope so. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
This is my new carpet. Come on, man. No!
You want to go down this hill with me? All right, let's go. Man, it's so white up here. It's like a sheet of paper, man. So, somebody dog. Wait a minute. That's my dog. But
Johnny, no.
Your mom looks like a dog.
What are you doing?
Would you like a treat?
Ow.
1, 2, 3. Make your silly face go.
Oh!
She.
Oh.
Can you hold a fucking light straight?
Lesbians. Oops.
hi, Frankie, it's Daddy.
Miles, what are you doing?
Riley, look at me.
Theodore, where's Chippy? Fifi, where's Chip?
Who's a good boy? Did you hear about the neighbor? She heard her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have nine puppies. You know anything about that, buddy?
I can't breathe! No, look at him! Look at him running! Hello, baby! Oh!
Joey!
Are you sad? No.
The people want to know. Can we get an whoop?
Parkour!
I'm already wall to wall up in here, and y'all gonna be right beside me.
See you, man. Good hanging out, brother.
Riot, do you want to get neutered?
Bagel. Bagel.
Big smile, Holly. Oh, good girl.
Makes a big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait.
What is that power stance? What is this? What kind of house do we live in?
Pa. Thanks, Jasper.
Officer, how you doing? How are you, sir? Good to see you. Sir, how you doing? Sir? Mary, how you doing? Good to see you.
Jaden, go hide.
What are you doing? We're eating, bud. Oh my gosh.
And how to speak my dog's language.
What are you doing? Oh my goodness.
So we're watching the Super Bowl, and I hear these two just crying, and then I notice my dog has eyebrows.
Take.
The donut truck. We gotta go get it. That's my boy. No, my boy. Father, help.
Smell it. You want to eat? Come on.
He's going crazy. He's got the zoomies. Oh, he died.
You know you're my baby and I love you, but you cannot go turkey hunting with me.
Smell it. Smell it.
You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Come here. Come here. You want to eat? Come on.
Not to be afraid to really open yourself up to the possibility.
Mercedes, show everyone how you smile.
She literally stops at the same time.
Ooh! That's not what I meant at all.
All right, show us how you go down the stairs.
It's okay. It's okay.
So rockin', he's got everything that a girl
do?
We love you. We love you.
Captured the cutest thing ever.
Oh.
What is going on in front of us? What is going on?
Okay, we there. I'm gonna put my paw. I got one paw up. Hold it steady. Hold it steady for me. Hold it steady. Hold it steady. Hold it steady. Hold it.
Random.
Giddy! Turn around! Turn around! Tiki, turn the fuck around! Jesus fucking Christ! Oh my god, you're so fucking dumb! Oh my god, you're so lucky I love you!
Oh God!
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
No, hey, you have your own bed. Remember how nice it is? Don't you want to sleep in that one? Then I will.
We love you. We love you.
Hugs.
Still asleep, little boy. Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning. Good morning.
Giddy! Turn around! Turn around! Tiki, turn the fuck around! Jesus fucking Christ! Oh my god, you're so fucking dumb! Oh my god, you're so lucky I love you!